Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Avishka Tadani, your tech host, and I present you Tech Bulletin of the Day that begins with Google and Nvidia strengthen AI partnership in India. Honeywell partners with Qualcomm for AI-enabled intelligent agent. Certain alerts users to high-severity vulnerabilities in Apple products. Big Basket launches 10-minute delivery for iPhone 16. Amazon boosts commissions for influencers ahead of festive season. Johnny Ive teams up with OpenAI for new AI development. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what does DNS stand for? The answer is Domain Name System. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does IPS in cybersecurity mean? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Tech giants Google and Nvidia are set to deepen their collaboration in India, focusing on artificial intelligence advancements. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his keen interest in AI and the potential it holds for India. Huang emphasized India's strong talent pool and Nvidia's commitment for expanding its GPU capabilities in the country. Meanwhile, Google CEO Sundar Pichai highlighted the Prime Minister's vision for Digital India, urging the company to innovate in sectors like healthcare and education. Both companies aim to ensure that AI benefits the people of India as they invest in local technology. For the second news, we have Honeywell, which has announced plans to develop an AI-enabled multi-modal intelligent agent in collaboration with Qualcomm Technology. This innovative solution aims to streamline operations for workers in distribution and retail sectors by allowing natural interaction with handheld devices through voice, images, and barcodes. The intelligent agent will assist users in quickly obtaining information such as product availability, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in tasks. With a focus on digital transformation, the partnership leverages Honeywell's mobile devices and Qualcomm's edge AI technology to elevate customer interactions and improve workplace productivity. The solution will be available via a software development kit integrating seamlessly with existing systems. Now we have Kaspersky, which has signed a memorandum of understanding with Manipal Institute of Technology in Bangalore to advance cybersecurity education. This partnership aims to cultivate a skilled workforce capable of tackling the growing cybersecurity challenges in India. Kaspersky will collaborate with MIT to develop training programs, course modules, and professional trainings for educators, enhancing the employability of graduates. This initiative is a part of Kaspersky's Academy Alliance program, which integrates cutting-edge cybersecurity expertise into academic offerings. Both organizations seek to strengthen the talent pool in cybersecurity sector, ensuring that future professionals are well prepared for the evolving digital landscape. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team has raised alarms regarding multiple high-severity vulnerabilities affecting various Apple products, including iPhone and Mac devices. These security flaws could allow unauthorized access, arbitrary code execution, and denial of service attacks. The impacted software versions will include iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and Safari, particularly those prior to latest updates. Certain urges users to promptly update their devices to mitigate these risks. Apple has already notified its customers and released patches addressing the vulnerabilities. As cyber threats continue to evolve, maintaining updated software is essential for protecting sensitive information and ensuring device security. Now we have Big Basket. The Tata Group's quick commerce platform is set to revolutionize electronic shopping with its new 10-minute delivery service. Starting with Apple iPhone 16. Available from September 20, this service allows users in Bangalore, Delhi NCR, and Mumbai to order electronics, including laptops and PlayStation consoles, for rapid delivery. CEO Hari Menon expressed excitement over this launch, emphasizing customer convenience as a priority. While details on special offers for the iPhone 16 remain undisclosed, the services marks Big Basket's entry into the electronics market. The platform currently operates 2 apps for varied delivery options, and plans are underway to unify these services for a smoother user experience. This move positions Big Basket to compete more effectively in the rapidly evolving instant commerce landscape. Moving ahead, in a strategic move to enhance sales during the festive season, Amazon India has announced a significant increase in commission rates for over 50 Moving ahead, in a strategic move to enhance sales during the festive season, Amazon India has announced a significant increase in commission rates for over 50,000 creators in its influencer marketing network. Commissions will rise between 1.5x to 2x across various categories, including fashion and beauty, with rates jumping to 9% for fashion and 7.5% for sports equipments. Additionally, influencers can earn target link incentives of up to 15% based on generated sales. This initiative aims to leverage the popularity of content creators to attract more users to the platform. As Amazon gears up for its flagship Great Indian Festive Sale, launching on September 27, it has also opened new fulfillment centers and reduced selling fees for merchants. The company faces competition from Flipkart and is navigating recent regulatory challenges, including scrutiny from the Competition Commission of India for alleged antitrust violation. Last but not the least, Johnny Ive has confirmed he's working for Sam Altman's OpenAI to create a groundbreaking AI device a year after initial rumors. The project sparked a connection by Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky, is supported by funding from Lauren Powell Jobs Immersion Collective. With a small team of 10, including former Apple colleagues Stan Tan and Evans Hankey, they are based in a 32,000 square foot office in San Francisco. The device aims to utilize generative AI for advanced computing, marking Ive's significant return to innovation since leaving Apple in 2019. This was all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Voice.